Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Comfort, and today I'll be teaching you how to make an asymmetric neckline top. So if this is what you are interested in learning, kindly watch this video to the very end, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever we post new videos. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. Before we go into the full video, I would like to state that this tutorial is for people that can perfectly draft their basic bodies, because this is the only thing that we need for this tutorial. Okay, so if you can draft your basic bodies perfectly, just follow the step-by-step process of the tutorial. Thank you. Let's get right into the video. For this tutorial, we will need our full front and our full back. So here I did half of my front, then I traced the other half on another paper, and I'm just tracing it out to have a full front pattern. Okay, so I have traced the pattern on another paper and I'm just marking it out. I'm going to go ahead and mark it out, then proceed to joining the two together. As you can see in this video, we have the full front. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to take my length of the top from your shoulder to wherever you want your top to stop. So my own length is 23. I'm using 23 inches for my blouse length. You can use whatever length you desire. I'm using 23 inches for mine. So I'm just going to mark that and roll it together. Okay, after doing that, I have transferred my waist dart to the side because I don't want to pick any dart on the waist area. So I transferred my waist dart to the side and cut it off. Okay, so from the M line, you are going to go out by 1.5 inches. Go out by 1.5 inches, then you rule it out on the two sides of the blouse. Okay, rule it on the other side too, just like I did for the first side. After that, we are just going to curve it from the waistline to meet that 1.5 that we came out with, as you can see me doing this video, with a curve, just to have that curvy effect on the waist to hip area. Ignore this 1 inch that I'm taking here. I didn't use it. Just curve it out from that waistline, the exact waistline, to meet the 1.5 that we came out for, with a curve. Then we do the same thing on the other side of the pattern. After that, we are going to go up from that our full length by 1 inch on the extended area. Go up by 1 inch on the extended area on the two sides. By 1 inch on the extended area. Okay, then we are going to use our pattern master to connect it to the M line, to the other part of the M line, with a curve. Okay, just connect it with a curve to form the kind of M line that we want. As you can see in this video, I'm gonna have to do mine. So from the other side, the side that has shoulder, from the dart line, go down by 5 inches from that full length area. then you connect it straight to have this sharp pointed shape like I did for that one. For the off shoulder side, transfer your shoulder dart to the underarm. Go down by 7 centimeters on your chest line, then you connect to the shoulder dart. So you can close the shoulder dart and open the underarm dart. Okay, now we are going to cut the side out. Just follow the shape that we have and cut it out so we can close our shoulder dart easily. After that, we just slash the underarm dart like I said. Then from this asymmetric hemline, we are going to curve it to form that shape that we have on the top. Just follow the process. From that mid dart line, just curve it a little to meet the hem, just to have that nice curve. On the other side, the longer part, from the mid dart line, you can measure 2 inches. From that pointed area, the down part of the top, measure 2 inches, then connect it, that 2 inches, connect it to the mid dart line. I'll show you in the video now. Okay, as you can see, I came inside a little because I want distance. I want some distance between the two M area. So you can do 3 inches as much as you want the distance, just as much as you want the distance. If you want it to be well opened, you can do 3 inches, 3.5, but I did 2 inches because I don't want it to be too opened. I don't want the distance to be too much. Okay, so I'm just trying to make sure that the M is well shaped. Do you understand? If you have any question, please don't forget to send in your questions in the comments. Thank you. Okay, so for the part that has shoulder, I did 30% shoulder tightening. That means your shoulder dart, 30% of your shoulder dart. Then you are going to share it on a ratio of 60-40. 60% on the armhole area, while 40% on the neck area. Slash open your dart to close the shoulder dart for the part that has shoulder. Close the shoulder dart. The reason why we do shoulder dart is because we want the shoulder to be well fitted and relaxed. That's why we tighten the shoulder dart, okay? So I'm just trying to finish up my underarm dart area. That's the only dart I'm picking, just the underarm dart for the side that is off shoulder. Please, if you have any questions, send in your questions in the comments. Now it's time to draw out our neckline. Determine your neck depth. I used 5 inches for my neck depth, and this is the kind of neck we are following. This is the neckline we are following, okay? So I'm just trying to mark out this shape that we have in that sketched design. Okay, just follow the process. You can use your free hand if you like. Just make sure that the curves come out well and nice. Make sure you get the curves perfectly and nice. Okay, just give it that nice curve. Depends on what you want. After that, you can go ahead and cut out. This is what it looks like after cutting, and this is what we have after sewing. Let me know what you think about this top in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more premium content like this. Thank you. Bye.